Hi, I'm Nemo. I'm Service Advisor here at McCurley Mazda. Today I want to talk to you about 5 reasons why a tire program is perfect for your vehicle. Number 1, our Mazda program does have the right tires for your right Mazda model. Number 2, we do have a competitive pricing, which means great value and great service. Number 3, our program does offer a certified and trainee technician for the proper installation. Number 4, our program does carry all major brands such as Dunlap, Goodyear, Yokohama's, and such more. Number 5, this is the most important one. Our Mazda program does offer roadside hazard warranty, which includes free flat repairs, free tire rotations, and free replacement.